Hey there! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super important for our mental well-being, affirmations. So, what exactly are affirmations? Well, think of them as positive statements you say to yourself to boost your confidence, motivation, and overall outlook on life. They're like little pep talks you give yourself to remind you of your worth and potential. Now, you might be wondering, why should I bother with affirmations? Well, let me tell you, the benefits are huge. When you repeat affirmations daily, you're actually rewiring your brain to think more positively. This can help reduce stress, increase self-esteem, and even improve your relationships with others. But here's the thing, affirmations only work if you make them a regular part of your routine. It's like going to the gym, you can't expect to see results if you only go once in a while, right? So, I challenge you to commit to doing affirmations every day for at least a month. Trust me, you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. And hey, if you're not sure where to start, don't worry. There are tons of resources out there to help you get started. So, here's your call to action, commit right now to start incorporating affirmations into your daily routine. Whether it's first thing in the morning, during your lunch break, or right before bed, find a time that works for you and stick with it. Your future self will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and remember, you've got this. See you next time.